Hey guys, it's Todd Vance, aka Crypto Jitsu, talking to you tonight about how you can lend some of your CPU cycles and some of your electricity to help fight the COVID-19. And in the process, earn a little cryptocurrency. Let me show you how. Come on. Okay, guys, for those of you who are subscribers to my channel, you know all about me and all about what we talk about here with cryptocurrency and different ways to mine and different technologies. But I'm going to share this with my friends and family, which is something I don't normally do with my cryptocurrency videos, because I think this is something really important. I think this is something that everyone can get involved in, and I just want to share it. So there's a thing called folding at home, where it's been around for a long time, and basically it lets the medical community use your electricity, where you crunch numbers, and it's doing big data science, big data learning, and helping to try to solve cancer, and there's a number of diseases that it's always working to figure out: Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, I think. And you can choose your disease. You can say, hey, I want to start folding at home with my computer, and I want to focus on Parkinson's disease. It's a really cool thing. It's been out forever. Folding at home. If you do nothing else, go here, learn about these guys, and maybe consider letting them use some of your CPU. But tonight I'm talking about how you can mine, which is mining is one way in the cryptocurrency space. We talk about crunching numbers with our computer to help a cryptocurrency, whatever it is, Bitcoin or whatever, kind of figure out stuff, and it helps the whole network move along. And basically you're just loaning electricity to the network, and sometimes you'll get rewarded with coins. So there's a way you can mine, quote unquote, cryptocurrency, but you're really just folding at home, and so you're really helping the medical community. And there's a cryptocurrency out there called Banano that I'm a part of the team. I'm actually on the team. I do their videos, and they actually pay you because they're really cool. They actually pay you for actually helping the medical community. Okay, so there's that. Right? Then there's the announcement that Folding at Home made just a few minutes ago, or a few hours ago. I guess it's been longer than that. I just found out about it. I just found out about it a few minutes ago, where Folding at Home is actually going to use all of their focus if you choose any disease. So you have options when you say, I want to fold. You can pick the disease specifically, or you can say whatever disease you see fit. If you pick whatever disease you see fit, Folding at Home is going to focus all of that data crunching time that your electricity and that your CPU is using to help solve the COVID-19 virus, to help come up with to help the scientists do things they need to do. Don't ask me. I'm not that smart. All I know is that we're helping the medical community. We're helping to figure out COVID-19. I've already got COVID-19 figured out. Okay, but I can't put it out yet because the government. So sorry. We're going to have to do it this way. All right? So there's that. Let's just pretend I didn't say that. I think I hear Blackhawks. So I will share all these links in the video descriptions of how you can read about this. Check out Folding at Home. We're not trying to do any funny business. You know me. If you're friends or family, if you're subscribers, you've been around for a while, you know me too. I'm just trying to help. And I love Banano. I'm not going to lie about that. They're one of my favorites. It's a coin that doesn't force you to mine and to work really hard and to rent giant computers in ice caves in Alaska to try to keep up with the Chinese government. They actually throw coins out just randomly to people to try to help the whole community to get their coins out. But one of the ways they love to distribute is if you help Folding at Home. So here you got a website called the Banano Miner, and as you can see, it is in association with Folding at Home. So two of my favorite things, Folding at Home and Banana Miner, get together. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to, I am getting all kinds of messages from Facebook. What you're going to have to do is get a Banano address. Step one. Two ways of doing that. If you want to download something specifically on your smartphone, you can download the Kalium wallet. It's on the App Store, Google and Apple. I've got it. I love Kalium. So I've got it. But that's my main wallet. But you can also get, it's a temporary wallet to throw coins into. Listen, you're going to make, right now, the market's way down. You're going to make, 6 cents a day. Okay, maybe more. As it fluctuates, you might make 25 cents, you might make $1. It depends on what they throw at you. You can make 100 and some banana coins in a day, depending on how fast your computer is and how long you leave it on. And it won't affect, you shouldn't see a huge effect on your speed of your computer. If you do, turn it on at night if you want to try to help. If the computer's just sitting there running at night and you don't shut it off anyway, because you really shouldn't, one of the hardest things you can do to a hard drive, if it's not a solid state hard drive, I know I'm talking tech now, right? If you got spinny disks, if you got an old hard drive and you shut it all the way down and then power it all the way up and then shut it all the way down, then it's like really hard on it. So sometimes the best thing to do is just leave your computer running, because the minute you turn it off and try to reboot is the time that your computer dies. So but if it's running and you're not using it, you could do folding at home. That's all I'm saying. Well, I'm not saying, I'm just saying. I'm not saying, I'm just saying. So anyway, you can go to vault.banano.cc and let me get, add a new account, I think, or if you're not logged in, I already got an account. There's a way here easily to get an account. If you can't figure out how to get an account, let me just get logged out. Let me just go to a private vault.banano.cc. Let me see what it would look like. Right, so you got configure wallet. Let's just go here. Vault.banano.cc. Create a new wallet. That's what you're doing. You're creating a new wallet. Now it's going to give you a seed. That's asking for some security on it. You don't have to do that. You can just skip that. And you can say create a new wallet. It's going to give you a seed phrase. You're going to want to keep these words. If you lose these words, you'll lose your cryptocurrency. Again, 6 to 20 cents to $1 a day, depending on how you do it. But man, if you leave it running for 30 days, that's a lot of money over time. Okay, and Banano is amazing and it's just awesome, and it's going to go up. All right, so you want to keep a hold of stuff. So yeah, you can copy the clipboard and save it. Save these numbers or these words. It can be 24 unique words in order. You can cheat. You can see mine. You can get to my funds if you want. Keep them safe. Don't let anybody else see them. I don't care. I'm making a new one. I probably won't use this wallet anyway. I'm showing you how to make a wallet. So I say, hey, I've saved my seed. Let's go. And I make a wallet password. Todd Vance. Todd Vance. No one's going to get that one. Set wallet password. Boom, I got a wallet. My wallet's unlocked. I want to view my account. Here's my Banano. Here's my address. All right, I can copy it right here. I'm going to copy it. Let's go back to folding at home. And I'm going to stick it in there and I'm going to say start now. Gives me an ID and I can get more crypto coins if I actually hold on a second. Look, I'll get back to you on that one. Save my address. I'm going to save my user ID. I'm going to save my team ID. That's so lots of they do it like in teams. So that's the Banano team ID. If you go to folding at home, you should be able to see, team numbers. Like they're all kind of doing like a competition. Who has the best team? Who's doing the best stuff? Here's the teams, right? Okay, forget about the stats. They don't appear to be working right now. But if I hit start folding, it's going to take me to a page where I can download an exe file, the folding at home installer. I start that, and it will open up a web browser where I can say right here, as I told you before, here's who I'm folding as. This is my team identity. I can change my identity. If you get a passkey, here it is. You get a passkey. From what I understand, Banano coin or Banano will give you more coins by getting a passkey. So get a passkey. It just makes it a little bit more secure. Keeps it from other people trying to steal your coins, blah, blah, blah. And right here, I can say I want to use a lot of strength of my CPU or a little bit of strength of my CPU or light strength of my CPU. And I just go. I got 2 CPUs and it's going to start. I can also, once I open this down here, there's a folding at home icon. I can right click and I can say advanced control, which will pop this open. It's the same thing really. I can say heavy, light, medium. I can check out a protein viewer and pretend like I have any idea what I'm looking at. Let's see. Actually, it's not going to show anything because I'm not folding right now. Oh, there's a protein, of course. There. Oh, you see that yellow dot? That, I don't know what that is. Yeah, and that's pause, so I'm not going right now. So I'm going to say start folding. This might mess up my video. Let's see. I can't tell. So as I said, I support research fighting any disease. This is COVID-19 stuff right here. I can pull Alzheimer's, cancer, Huntington's, or Parkinson's, or any. So according to Folding at Home right now, they're going to be investigating COVID-19 if you pick any disease. Wanted to get the word out. That's all I got for you. Fold at Home. You'll see that as it begins, it'll say that it's starting a new job. A new job is starting. See how I say when I want to stop, it says finish up. So some jobs can take hours, like 8, 9, 12 hours. You're doing something, a big job, a big calculation for the community. You have to do the whole job to actually get a distribution of coins. So as you do this for a few hours, 12 hours, 24 hours, if you go back to the vault and you check your balance, Harry's razors, and you check your balance, you will see that you start getting banana put in there. So just starts happening, just starts raining free crypto coin. You're helping to solve COVID-19. You're learning a little bit about crypto. And I just wanted to make everybody aware. There it is. That's it. I'm done. I'm going to go watch my buddy Cameron Vaught play drums in Leaper's Fork. So I'm out. Peace.